here with Little Big Town and life-saving cheerleader Tyra Winters and doctors Brittany and Brandon. We got a full house. And here to help us get into the Halloween spirit is self-taught baker and star of the Cake by Courtney YouTube series, Courtney Rich, y'all. Thank you. All right, this is adorable, but before we jump into how awesome you are, how did you get started in baking? Have you been doing it forever?
You know, I grew up baking with my mom, my sister, my family. The kitchen was just always a fun place to be with everyone, and so many memories created there. But I didn't make my first cake from scratch until my son turned 1, and it was to really impress my in-laws at his first birthday because they were really good cooks, and I knew I couldn't do something from a box, right? And then I just became a hobby. I fell in love with it. It was so fun. My first cake was the ugliest thing you'll ever see. It was atrocious. It was so bad, but it tasted so good. It was chocolate peanut butter, and it was, oh, it just spoke to me. And
speaking to me from the beyond.
Look, that's my first cake. How bad is that?
I would be so proud.
That was great.
I don't know what I'm more embarrassed by. The cake topper I made myself, you know, just that big W bigger than the actual cake. But it's a special cake to
Kimberly,
me.
you're a chef as well, right? You cook, you bake a lot.
I love to cook.
I
love to cook. But on my bucket list is taking a cake baking decorating class.
Oh, you need to come to mine, Kim.
I would love that.
Well, here you go. We brought you to a class today. So what are we making today? Obviously cake. But
yes, we are decorating a little monster cake. So holidays are really fun to be creative with our cakes. I love to focus on flavor, but holidays, I like to just pull out all the stops and just decorate and have a lot of fun. And so we're making a monster cake.
Okay.
And this one is just actually really simple and fun to make, but things to know about this one. We first did a crumb coat. A lot of people make the mistake of not doing a crumb coat. And it's just stacking.
And a crumb coat is?
Is a thin layer of frosting. You guys can see we've got a little bit of it on your cake right now. A thin layer of frosting that's going to lock in the crumbs because we put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to set. And then you can put your frosting on top of it and those crumbs don't get into your frosting, your final coat.
That is.
So it's logical. Yeah.
It is. I wish I knew that.
I know, me too. Did you recently make a cake?
Yeah.
Well, now
I know why I ruined her cake a week ago.
It's the heart. It's the heart.
It
comes from the heart.
But all the crumbs were mixed in ice.
Yeah, it looked like an Oreo cake.
Just put ice cream with it. It'll be great. Okay, what's next? What do we do?
So next we're going to do the monster's hair. Everyone has a piping tip. It's like a grass piping tip. Something in there, like all these different edges. You want to start from the bottom up. So you'll see we've gotten a little bit, but start at the bottom and create just a litut bit. Oh, it's gotten a little cold in here.
What? It is very cold in here. Mama wears Spanx, y'all. Sorry.
Okay, well my piping tip just came out.
Oh, you layer it like
I'm like, look, it just came out. It's so cold in my studio.
It's so cold. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just turn this around and create our face on the backside. If you guys are working away.
So sorry, I wear Spanx and Mama runs hot. Y'all, and Mama runs hot. I run hot.
You and me both.
Okay.
All right. So
eyes?
let's do some eyes first.
Okay.
So you have a couple options of gumballs or just little candy eyes.
Wait, can we do one crazy one and then one like normal?
This is where the kids would have a lot of fun helping you decorate.
What is this? Is this a nose or an
These are horns. Yep. So let's do our teeth because you want to
make a nose?
Oh, I would love a nose.
I really want my horn to be the nose.
And then you have little fondant teeth already cut out.
So look how creepy.
Oh my gosh. Wait, let's on your horns or your nose, depending on what you want to use this for now.
Oh wait, she used a toothpick. She's cheating. I love it.
Okay. So you can put it on top.
Or a nose.
Kelly wanted a nose.
I want a crooked nose.
A crooked, how's that? Yes? Let's do more teeth.
I want all the teeth to be awkward.
And they're nice and sharp. It's just cutting out like little pieces of fondant in a triangle. Kim, how's it going down there?
Pretty well. I'm actually licking my fingers a lot. It's really tasty.
But not the cake. She's not licking the cake.
Oh, do we need some on the bottom too? There we go.
Yes. Okay, I'm down. Okay, wait.
Okay, and then the horns were just made out of fondant. You can roll them in your hands.
He's gonna get one horn.
One horn.
He's a unicorn monster.
Oh my gosh, my daughter would love that.
So would mine.
We had a unicorn bear cake for her birthday.
Yes.
So you can imagine.
All right, well, so we have some finished cakes over here, right?
You've got a red velvet
right
here.
Oh, here we go.
We're so
gotta
busy
taste it.
decorating.
Sorry, we're being creative.
Hey, you artistes, stop and eat.
This is the best part right now.
This is red velvet.
This is red velvet with a really fudgy, dark chocolate black frosting. Perfect for Halloween.
Oh my God.
I know red velvet's your favorite. So
It is. I've never had it with chocolate frosting.
I know most people haven't, and I die for it.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna make sure sure it's not poisonous to have another bite.
Jimmy hasn't had sugar in 20 days.
Oh, me neither, Jimmy.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. All right, well, thank you so much, Courtney. This is amazing. For the recipe and more info about everything Courtney's working on, go to kellyclarksonshow.com. Coming up, a hilarious and romantic wedding proposal attempt that didn't go as planned, but went viral.